Hey guys, if you have came here to learn how to use props, so I'll tell you in the easiest way. Believe me, just keep on watching video. So this is normal app, like I have just done npx create react app and then npm start. So you can see it's running. Oh wow. Oh, so it's like running. It's nothing, I have done anything. So I'll just remove these things and write hello world, and I'll remove those things also. So yeah. So see hello world. So let me tell you like what for props use. So basically props are used to passing values between components. So in normal terms, if I tell you layman terms, so like if you have multiple pages, you want to pass data between pages. So that's the way we use props to pass the values between components. So that's the basic term. So let me just get started. So hello world I have written. So let me make a component. So I'll say new file. Yeah, we'll say details.js. Okay, now I'll make a component normal. Okay, details. So I'll say people details. Okay, nothing much, I haven't done anything. And here I'll just import that, import details from, and I'll use that here. See people details, I haven't done anything right now, so I'm just exporting default details and I'm just importing details here and using it. Okay, so suppose you want to let me just write something here. So I'll just write in h1 I'll just write name of someone like John, and in h2 I write age like 45 and just save it. So you see John 40. So I have like bunch of data like that, I want to show it here. So how I'll do, so what I'll do, I'll say name equals to, put curly braces, and I'll say Johnny, and sorry not brackets, and age equals to 4 in curly braces, sorry. Yeah, save it. So nothing much, and here I'll just receive both the things in curly braces, name comma, here you should use comma, and age. Keep it keep in mind that these two variables names and these two variable names should match it, like not like a function you can give any data and it will just receive here. It should compulsory match. And here I'll just use name, age. I'll just save it, and you say Johnny and 4. So it's so easy. And suppose you have a object, like you have fetched an API and it came here, you have object. So how you will do that? So we'll say const object equals to, and we have suppose name, sorry, name Michael comma age 25. Okay, so we have this object. So simply we'll just put this object data here. We'll say object dot name object dot age, and we'll say save. Okay, so see Michael 25. So suppose we have more data. So suppose we have suppose we have another data called, suppose we have in a list other data also. Yeah, and we'll just paste it here, not this, yeah, this value, and we'll just end it. Yeah, and we'll say Mike age 18. Yeah, and let's save it. See, we have two data now, name age and name Mike. So you know array indexing, so this is the 0th index and this is the first index. So now we'll again copy it and we'll paste it here. Now this time we have to tell on index, so we'll say on the 0 index, and this is also on the 0. Let me just delete this for a time. So yeah, so normal I'm telling the 0, like 0 index is this, and take name and age. Okay, so we'll just save it. Okay, Michael 25. Now same thing I'll do with index getting changed as 1. Now see Mike 18. So it was so easy, we just wrote that line again, and got, and like it has taken the values and shown like and the index 0 and the index 1. So yeah, like this. But suppose like you must be having question, like we have hundreds of data, like we can't like write like this 100 times. So for that we have another thing. So for that we have mapping. So what we'll do, we'll say, we'll put curly braces, we'll say object dot map, and we'll say data. So now object dot map and data. So what's happening, object dot map is picking one index, so suppose picking this and putting here like a loop, then again putting this and putting in data like a loop, and data, and here we'll create a function. Yeah, and here we'll use details, and here we'll just copy the same thing. Yeah, but not but this time we are getting the array index in the variable called data. So we'll write data, and here also we'll write data, and here we'll just close the braces. Let me just remove this also. Yeah, so what's happening here, let me just show you in a normal way. So object dot map, we are mapping like a looping, picking the first index, giving it to data. Now after that I'm calling a function, and we'll say data dot name. So first index was here, data dot name and data dot age, and it's again going to second index and doing the same stuff. So let me just see. So see, same thing. Now if we have more data, it will just automatically do the same thing. I'll just suppose you are getting more data and age is like 25, 30. We'll say XXX, and his name is YYY. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See, XXX, we don't have to do anything. Same thing we have to do. Now here also, if you want to pass the values to another component, so same thing, you'll just import it. Like here we have imported this component and pass it like this only. Here also we are getting data in name and age, we just pass in name and age. So that's the easiest way you can like use, like this is the only way. Like there's one way also, you must have someone has taught you using pro props written and like props dot name. So it will be lengthy, and I don't think it's the better way, it's the easiest way to do this like this. So that is from my side. Yeah, so thank you guys.